If you're a vendor who does pop-ups, markets, craft fairs, or festivals, this app is designed to help you discover events in your area. Today I'm going to show you exactly what happens when you create a vendor profile inside Let's Pop Shop, so you know what to expect when you sign up. If you're new here, my name is Elle and I run a YouTube channel helping vendors grow their businesses through pop-up events and markets. I recently launched an app called Let's Pop Shop, where vendors can create profiles and eventually receive notifications when event organizers post new events in their area. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how the vendor profile works and what you'll see once you create one. The first step is simply creating your account. You can do that today at app.letspopshop.com. When you open the app via web browser, on desktop or mobile, you'll choose Create Account. From here, you'll add your basic information like your email and password so the system can create your profile. This takes less than 1 minute. Once you land on your vendor homepage, what you'll want to do first is set your target city. You can do so by clicking the orange button at the top of your screen. This tells the app where you're typically willing to travel for events. From here, you can set all of the target cities that you want to participate in market events, pop-ups, craft fairs, festivals, and more. So what you'll do is simply type in the name of the city you're interested in participating in events for. In the future, when organizers post events in that area, the app will be able to notify you so that you can quickly apply before spots fill up. Now you can see that I've added 2 cities to my target cities within the app. What I want to do next is go back to my vendor homepage and navigate to my profile. This is where you can add things like your business name, what type of products you sell or what your service offering is, your location, your social media links, a gallery of photos of your products and your booth setup, and your company logo or your organization logo. The goal is to make it easy for organizers to quickly understand your business when they review your vendor applications in the future. If you want to be one of the first vendors notified when new markets are posted, it's a good idea to create your profile now so you're already set up. Over time, the goal of Let's Pop Shop is to make it easier for vendors to discover new market events, apply to events, connect with organizers, find more opportunities to sell in person. If you want to get started, you can create your vendor profile at the link below. Set your profile now so you're ready when events start getting posted.